Sioux Falls Lincoln over Dexton Miller, Beersford Alcester Hudson, with a decision score of 10-3. Caesar, Sioux Falls Lincoln over Miller, Beersford Alcester Hudson, decision 10-3.
Results of match number 138. Quarterfinal match, Class B, 144 pounds. Ethan Burrick of Western Spring, Woolsey, Wessington, or Cole Henriksen of Tri-Valley. By fall time, 3:58. Burrick of Western Spring, Woolsey, Wessington, or Henriksen of Tri-Valley. By fall time, 3:58.
I'm sorry, am I in your way?
No, you're not. Fine. Okay, so when someone wins this match, then you get to only come to the night
Afternoon one, yeah.
The results are match 644 at 150 pounds. Brandon Shoemaker of Brandon Valley over Porter Lozinski of Aberdeen Central with a score of 9-4. Again, Shoemaker, Brandon Valley over Lozinski, Aberdeen Central, 9-4.
Results of match 142, quarterfinal match, Class B, 150-pound weight class. Johnny Litz of Kimberlite Lake Caddies over J.D. Cook of Mount Avon, 4-2. Litz, Kimberlite Lake Caddies over Holt of Mount Avon.
Konitsky's going to be on that one. Sorry.
4-2. Results of match number 140, quarterfinal match, Class B, 144 pounds. Chase Hurd of Michael Herald over Kelvin Lozada of Mount Avon. 8-0. Hurd of Michael Herald over Zella of Mount Avon, 8-0. Results quarterfinal match number 41, Class B, 150-pound weight class. Riken Oral, winner, or Jane Roosevelt of Fulton by forfeit. Oral, winner, results quarterfinal match number 641, Class A, 150 pounds. Netting of Sturgis Brown over Lincoln Peters of Harrisburg by fall time 135. Netting of Sturgis Brown over Peters of Harrisburg by fall time 135. Results of match number 645, quarterfinal match. Class A, 157-pound weight class, Gage Lure of Watertown or Chase Thurman of Sturgis Brown, Tech Fall 17-2. Lower of Watertown over Thurman of Sturgis Brown, Tech Fall 17-2.
We have a correction in match 639, next at 144 pounds in the A division, Dexton Miller of Beersford Alcester Hudson over Hudson Caesar of Sioux Falls Lincoln with a decision 10-3. Miller, Beersford Alcester Hudson over Caesar, Sioux Falls Lincoln 10-3.
Life is better with a team you can trust. Sandra Orthopedics and Sports Medicine is on your team to provide expert orthopedic care you can count on. Visit sandrahealth.org to find out about it.
Results of match number 149, quarterfinals, Class B, 165-pound weight class. Bolin Hopkins of Sizzler, or Austin Vig of Clark Willow by fall time, 35 seconds. Hopkins of Sizzler, or Vig of Clark Willow by fall time, 35 seconds.
Vince got one.
Results of match number 144, quarterfinals, B, 150-pound weight class. Lincoln Woodstruck of Harding County over Isaac Johnson of Clark River Lake, 4-1. Woodstruck of Harding County over Johnson of Clark River Lake, 4-1.